Have you noticed these AI-generated hyper-realistic CCTV videos are getting millions and millions of views on YouTube and Facebook? And you know how much these channels earn? This channel is earning approximately $20,000 per month, according to Social Blade. And this channel was created only 5 months ago and already earned a huge amount of subscribers and giant views. These types of hyper-realistic CCTV videos are made by Sora AI, which is a product of ChatGPT. Sora AI is very expensive by default, but in this video, we will show you how to use Sora AI for free. Watch this video until the end. At first, search DeepSider Chrome extension. Click on this link. Add this to your browser. It is a well-trusted extension. Also, the review is high. You can also able to use the best Pro AI models with this Chrome extension. Once the Chrome extension is added successfully, an instruction will be opened. Close that tab. And pen the Chrome extension from here. Then open the DeepSider extension. At first, create an account. Click Sign Up. You see, you will get 200 credits free daily, but if you use this invitation code, you will get 500 credits free per day. Type your email address and password, and paste the invitation code from the description. Verify your email by giving the verification code. Successfully logged in. You can see in the profile section, we got 500 credits per day. Whatever, let's create an eye-catching, hyper-realistic AI video. Change the model and select the Sora AI free version. And now copy a prompt. I already generated some prompts here. Just copying one and pasting that to DeepSider. And press Enter. It will start working. You can do your background tasks effortlessly. It will not hamper on creating AI video. The AI video is generated. You can play or download the video using the 3 dots. Let's generate another video. This output is really crazy, so try it now, fast. And keep uploading these videos on YouTube and monetize them. So this is the video on how to use Sora AI for free. If this video helped you, please subscribe and like this video. If you want to know how to monetize these videos in the right way, ask me in the comment section.